Okay, working the new setups today. Had a short here. Many opportunities to get out with extra profit, but if you stayed till the long, there was the long. Some opportunities to get out there, grab a quick scalp. But if you stayed in, then you went short. So that was a winner, small winner. That short was a loser. You versed the long, had a big ripper, and that didn't get a flip till right here. Now we're short. So very active today. As you can see, while using Moneyball, you get these pullbacks to the mid-band area, or in this case to the with the new setup using the channel or our adaptive price bands, almost like a value area point, pullbacks and lifts, and you get aqua again on the trend indicator in alignment with the Moneyball coming back on, or great quick scalping entry points, re-entry points when you start getting running trends. But the connected trade doing good, held its own this morning, was really active. Short could have got out here, but if you held, you made a little bit. Then you got long, could have got out here. On the flip, it was very active out of the open, lost a little bit, lost a little bit. So you made a little, lost a little, lost a little, flat, then nice big hit there, flat, made a little bit there, lost a little bit there, made a lot there, made a little bit, lost a little bit, made a lot. So even in wild swings, you can hold your own, and then you'll always catch the big runner. That's the beauty of this trade. When you get the big runner, and we always get one in the nasdaq, usually in the first 30 minutes, you catch it. So if somebody just traded the first 4 trades or 5 trades, you ended the day positive, and you could have been done. We took a few more trades, scratch, made a little, lost a little, caught another big one, came right down to the close of yesterday's area price, smart area to be ready to cover out, and that was really good day on a CPI day out of the open. The way market react to be able to hold your own. And again, this system hasn't even been optimized. I'm getting this built as a standalone indicator to be part of the QuantVue package for both the mid and higher tier offering. So once I get this as a standalone indicator with these actual flip points, will be identifiable as an audible alert, and you can connect it to automation. You guys will be able to be off to the races, so you don't have to, visually watch the entry points. You can just trade them off alerts. So we're adding that to the group as a value add, and then anybody new that comes on board will get that. And we're going to name it the Q line. So the new indicator that will basically be set up just like this with our Q trend and our bands, our Q bands tied into one, but targeting one specific trade setup. The trade setup that I have shown here with the yellow lines from entry to exit. If you stayed in the trade and just waited for a reverse signal. So if you did a connected trade, you're short, made a little, long, lost a little, short, lost a little, long, scratch, short, made money. So out of all these trades, you only had one small winner, one big winner, you actually made decent money. If you kept on trading, scratch trade, made a little, lost a little, caught another nice winner. Here, made a little, lost a little, caught a huge winner. So that's how it goes. And then there are times when I'm seeing 5 and 6 and even 7 winners in a row going back with minimal optimization work. So some days out of the gates, we get like one false move, one big move, and it's like you catch it. The false move, you're scratch, lose a little bit, and then you catch the main move, boom, you're done. So this is working good on all indices, absolutely working great on crypto, FX, gold, oil, all of it. The more I check it out. So anyhow, this indicator is getting built. This will be our new Q line indicator, part of the QuantVue.io system available options. For any questions, hello@quantvue.io. And there you have it. The Q line trade is working great, even on a very active day. As the market's whipping around, no problem coming out of the day profitable if you just follow the signals. So there you have it. We'll have more videos on it. And no, people, I don't trade on 1 second data. I get a lot of questions. We have 1 second data feeding a Renko chart, and this Renko chart is a 3 vertical box size. So every body of the candle is a fixed amount of vertical price distance. So there you have it. The Q line indicators in build should have it for sure this week for the existing group and anybody new coming on board. I'm hoping I have it. I thought I'd have it today. The programmer's a little bogged down, so looking at maybe late day Wednesday or into early Thursday, and I should have it in hands, and we're going to be giving it out to our group. And a lot of guys are already trading it, doing great. We do have a Discord room for everything related to the Q Zone trading tools. So if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great trade day, and talk to you soon.